Hi, I'm Guld with Geeks On Tour, and I want to show you in Google Photos how to save one of those cute memories that it makes for you. You open up Google Photos, and I'm talking about these things up at the top. These are AI created memories, and they go away. So I want to save one, and I want it to be a video with music. Now there's one that I've already opened. So it goes all the way over to the right. I mean, they stick around for a while. It's kind of grayed out. This one that says Trip to Tavernier and Isla Morada. So I will open that. Listen to the sound. If you're not hearing any sound, it might be because that is turned off. I want the sound. And the first step is then to tap the share button. Now you have a couple of options. You can keep just the photos or the video. I want it saved as a video. I also want to make sure that the sound is being saved with it. If there's anything I want to get rid of, you tap Edit. And let's say I didn't particularly care for just those leaves in the front. And this is long, so I'm going to take that out. And this one too. So just uncheck the pieces of it that you don't want to capture. And then done. Last step is to tap share once again. And I don't want to send it to Facebook or share it with anybody. I want to keep it. So I have to tap more and upload to Google Photos. Make sure you have the right account and tap upload. And when it's done, it says upload complete. I can now go back just to my Google Photos. It is now a video file in my library that I will have forever and I can share with anybody.